the $5 gluten-free plate, and that looks really good. So I'm going to download the EPUB is what I need. And I'm going to make sure I've got a description and I've got keywords in there. I can even change the copyright page if I wanted. I'm just going to leave it there. I mean, you could put in who published it. I like what that says. So back cover, I'm going to leave that the same. I'm not going to edit any text. I'm not going to fix a word. This is a magazine style, so it's going to be completely all images. Okay. So we got EPUB and front cover. Okay. Now I'm ready to go. And it's going to be the $5 gluten-free plate. Copy that. Come over here and create a new title. Kindle ebook. Okay. Now I had a subtitle on that, so I'm going to go in and get that subtitle. I'm going to use this. Good food doesn't have to be expensive. Good food doesn't have to be expensive. Okay, that's the subtitle. Edition, number 1, author. Who did we have the author? Clara Hennessy. I'm going to be the editor. I need a description. So come over here, grab my Kindle Publishing description right here. Just hit Control A, Control C, paste it in there. On the copyright, now I'm just going to leave this alone. It's not necessarily for children. Children can read it, and that's fine. Choose category. We're going to go cookbooks. And I'm going to do low budget. That's one category. Come back in here in cookbooks. I always like to use all 3 categories out. And quick and easy. We'll do quick and easy and then a special diet. Cooking for 1. Cooking with kids. We'll just say general. Add another category. Cookbooks. Special diet. And gluten-free. Save categories. Okay. Now I'll put my keywords in. Again, we're going back to BookMasher. Just expand that out real quick. And it's just Control C and Control V to cut, copy, and paste. Can't get in any easier than that. Save and continue. Upload the EPUB. I guess I need to download it. So come back over here to BookMasher. Save all that. Download the EPUB. Okay. We already got the front cover downloaded. Come over here. Upload manuscript. Here's my EPUB. Say no there, and I'm going to upload my cover. It's in JPEG format. There it is. Okay. AI, yes. Claude, Perplexity, BookMasher, Images, OpenAI, Gemini, BookMasher. Okay. Translations, none. And so it's converting my file. And when that's done, then I'll click Launch Previewer and be able to see it. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and put Penguin Productions as the editor, as the publisher. Okay, I'm going to enroll in KDP Select, all territories, Amazon, 35 cents. Now this is all going to be all color, and it says I need to charge at least $1.99. I need $2.99 here, so I'm going to, on this one, I'm going to go ahead and set it at 35 cents. But let's put in here $4.99. So if I'm at 70% here, $3.15. Okay, I want to make a little bit of money and publish your Kindle book. Done. Okay. Now I'm going to skip the paperback version on this one. I'm going to just do the Kindle at this point. Okay, I figured out what was wrong on the children's book.
Your topic, your book, ready for Amazon.